If you want to add music to a TikTok video on PC, this tutorial will show you the fastest and easiest way to do it. First, open your browser and go to TikTok, then log into your account. Once you're logged in, click on the Upload option from the left side menu. Now click on Select File and choose the video you want to upload from your computer. After the video uploads, look for the Sounds button option and click on it. You'll see the Music or Sound section. From here, search for any TikTok sound or trending music you want to add to your video. Choose the audio you like, preview it, and then apply it to the video. Once everything looks good, click on Save. Now publish your TikTok video with music directly from your PC. That's it. That's how to add music to TikTok videos on a PC easily. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more TikTok tips and tutorials.